aha Kama Studio Sabusia Asamaba I
birth certificate na ye come from 0 to 12 na ye free.
Honorable Samuel Adom Botchway abusuya ono na ye acting registrar for birth and death registry na chese wokọ baby birth cert any death certificate na abusuya ono na ye acting registrar wo na wode nsema to dwa abro ne kasapa etena ase na obodidi nkomo fa the cost of birth certificate and a death certificate na abusuya ochemu age 0 ebe ye wo to ho na akopem bra obedi 5 years no eno say 13 Ghana cedis.
Birth certificates no after year 1 to 5 13 cedis.
Say ne bono 13 Ghana cedis na fe so price ne big ka ho. Me for the some way on this platform. I Kama Studios we follow for more updates and more news because online. Na say be update be because social media be announce be maka no hu. Dey because we on mine mu na bu say me for more ransom na very simple. Birth and death certificate say dem dika kind of busia open power down on your friend Samuel Adom Botchway ono na oye acting registrar ye sa sector wona kasapata na asia na omodi nkomo fa the cost and afi odi nchiremu so ma Ghana for concerning say the price in city ne kwan fa so asia ye no na eno nkomodi de mu na kwatwe nsemba ye se busia se obi age se ye wo bi ba asase so na nipa age 0 to age 1 na free na mum from age 1 to age 5 on 13 Ghana cedis michemo 130 cedis said the no mo kana no 130 and
13 cedis.
Yeah.
10 cedis need 3 cedis.
Yeah.
Sana mo kano na was age 1 to age 5 13 Ghana cedis and I feel so age 5 to age 59 and also 26 Ghana cedis
and 5 years and above no 26 cedis.
5 years to how many years?
5 years to
100 and a half.
No. 5 years to 59 years.
No say obi di 60 years and above fa hono ni pa omonye birth certificate man you say hono na just oko pension
60 years and birth certificate.
Jesus Christ.
Ai oko ahomjim na ensem we na kwatwe nkomo bebre na ba bonte be ni video na amwahwe abra wode nsem we dadi na ye ensem kafa ho sabre ukopie mo ye birth certificate offices wo Ghana ha birth and death registry offices bi Ghana ha bucha bekono meka cha wose so far omuni nkrata omre print sa birth certificate no sanse ya contact ni pa bebre chese omusu chemu a that one no enye available for now. It has been unavailable for like a year now inti sabre dey say active register the beto just say cost ni dey then almost intimi provide na before then yankobo nsem a honorable Samuel Adom Botchway de to dwa ye kasapa e ba wache wadwo comment section na say na fi ya kasafa ho so
birth certificate and it is one to say in terms of ebo no because obi wo ha say mo wo me we feeding no passport dey mo fa ni say
Enye no kre.
Anya no kre?
No.
Money bibi aya partial. Set me birth certificate e bia 1 week me sabeka.
Enye no kre. You see, emintina sisi a ebraso say ye be chere eniama ni mu. Birth certificate na ye kan. To say say na me kan enkwala me de no. From 0 to 12 na ye free. Free. If you owe akwala nde na register akwala na ye njuska.
Okay.
Pink we no crampo na na ye honom no ye ba no. Ma desesa no.
Okay.
Ya enhance security features na also. And now sa birth certificate dia air region bia no me track it.
Okay.
It is a bono Easter. Na se obi the birth certificate ba. Na nipa kro no Accra e no se ye wo no. Na Bono East birth certificate ni issue amana. We be o Bono East officer no. Me no Asem. Birth certificates no after year 1 to 5. 13 cedis.
13 cedis.
Yeah.
10 cedis need 3 cedis.
Yeah.
Yani amanfo bu nkofo afaso a chepa o. Enu 15 cedis.
Dabi.
And above 5 years.
And 5 years and above no 26 cities.
5 years to how many years?
5 years to
100 and a half.
No. 5 years to 59 years. 60 years and your birth certificate.
Jesus Christ.
But if
you buy now the new prices here.
Maybe 2 years.
Wow.
Maybe 2 years.
Any amount for where did the power?
But if you are blame me so microphone.
We and somewhere here it is a acting a registrar for birth and death certificate which on the two biya kasapa. Now the no I on the Obekan TV so but on the real grounds no the prices no say the money no and prices for a birth certificate in the or into omode ometna online obeka yes yebeti but onko dro office on nyon netewo nti wontimi fa price nko okore se nipa no so wanya ma wa wanya ma essence so far me no kase da busua so per birth certificate it is hardly to get. I just be out your double fees for amount of more charge no to get your birth certificate. San say omo chirimu a near my dey printing any omo ye shortage omo shorty materials to print the birth certificate. And so far when you go to the offices omo give details now process bibia on process bibia you make actually say we are waiting for the documents to come when they are available they are going to work on it no print it at all. We dey koso we birth and death certificates offices we your mind na clarification if we omo acting registrar and so if we change by na dey somewhere on this platform I come us to this be because bia no ye bebo ye homeden say on 70 maka say dey be ya ebeboa na also hu dey koso we your mind my come us to this na go by the name Sticky the Superstar. Follow this page for more news and more updates. Yeah.